Welcome back. You are watching Kesar World YouTube channel. We will talk about Amtrak's most underrated route goes under one of America's highest bridges. So let's start our video. Many rail fans agree that America's most beautiful train ride is officially with this underrated Amtrak route. The Cardinal between New York and Chicago, Amtrak operates several long distance routes, but few are as quietly spectacular as this one with a schedule of just 3 times a week. It's easy to overlook, yet it offers some of the most heart-taking scenery in the Amtrak system. The Cardinal winds thought the Blue Ridge and Allendale Mountains, the Shenandoah Valley, the Whitewater Rivers of West Virginia, and along the Ohio River, delivering sweeping views that rival anything out west, and along the way it passes directly beneath the to working New River George Bridge as an engineering marvel and one of the highest railway bridges in North America. Despite this rare and memorable stretch, thought West Virginia's New River George National Park, the Cardinal often files under the radar, bypassed in favor of more popular routes like the California Zephyr or Empire Builder. But for those in the know, the Cardinal isn't just a way to cross the country. It's Amtrak's best kept secret and a front row ticket to one of the most scenic and unexpected journeys in the East. Here's a closer look at Amtrak's most underrated route. Amtrak's most epic journey in California will cost you $1,500. Here's why it's worth it. The California Zephyr offers much more than a way to get more from point A to point B. The Cardinal is Amtrak's most underrated route. Amtrak's Cardinal View passing underneath the New River George Bridge. The Cardinal is a long distance Amtrak route that spans 1,146 miles between New York Penn Station and Chicago Union Station winding. It's where thought Philadelphia, Washington D.C., Charlottesville, Huntington, Cincinnati, and Indianapolis, making a U shape. Will other routes get more attention for their result expenses or snow-capped mountains? The Cardinal traverses some of the most underappreciated landscapes in the eastern United States. The journey passes through the Blue Ridge Mountains, Appalachian Country, and West Virginia. New River Georgia, offering views that rival views of the West in beauty and drama, especially during the autumn months when the mountains display vibrant fall flowing rivers. Riders also follow the path of the Ohio River, encountering everything from uh, everything every vibrant everything from quaint river towns to sweeping panoramic views, but with just 3 weekly departures in each direction, many potential passengers simply miss the opportunity to ride. The hidden game of the route is the Cardinal's dramatic passage beneath the New River George Bridge is West Virginia. This iconic structure, one of the tallest and longest signal span vehicle bridges is in the western hemisphere towers high above the train as it winds toward the New River George near Hawks near Nest Radar. Then crossing the bridge, the Cardinals follows the river blue, offering rare vantage points of this architectural marvel. Framed by rugged cliffs and forested slopes, it's a moment that surprises even seasoned travelers and makes this route a bucket list journey for anyone drawn to scenic train rides, Appalachian landscapes, or America's lesser known wonders. Is this legal? Amtrak passenger complaint rises a serious pain point for summer. Is what this passenger experienced on an Amtrak train even legal? History of the Cardinals. Amtrak created the Cardinal route in the 1970s by combining parts of two older lines, including the James Whitcomb Relay, which served the Midwest and Indiana, and the George Washington, this which connected Washington D.C. to Cincinnati in 1977. Amtrak merged the two into a single train and give it a new name, the Cardinal, in reference to the state bird of several states in service. Initially, the Cardinal had daily service, but in 1981 it was reduced to three times weekly, a limitation that remains in place. To this day, over the years, its route has shifted multiple times, including a period in the 1990s when it bypassed parts of southern Indiana. Despite being adjusted and trimmed, the Cardinal has remained one of Amtrak's few direct routes connecting the Northeast corridor with the Midwest, making it logistically significant even if lesser known. There have been essential attempts to restore daily service to the Cardinal, particularly from advocates in Indiana and West Virginia, who note its potential for tourism and regional connectivity. Regional connectivity. That's one of the top 10 and other regional connectivity, and this is the discontinuation of the Hospire district in 2019, another trend that once supplemented the Cardinals schedule further emphasized the Cardinals importance as a vital rail link across the heartland. Amtrak's spectacular national parks route will cost you $80,000. Here's why it's not worth it. Here's an overview of what's included in Amtrak's Grand National Parks of America trip and why it's actually a good deal. Cardinal schedule and sports. Good morning today. I will begin my adventure on Amtrak's Cardinal train from DC's Union Station to Chicago. I will spend approximately 23 hours during the first leg traversing thought Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois before boarding the famous California Zipers. See that train during my train ride on all routes. I will be staying in my own private remote, my private room. My private room includes comfortable seating by day, upper and lower beds by night. I may switch up during my journey to see which one sleeps best. Fresh towels, access to a private restroom, and shower, dedicated sleeping car attendant, complimentary lounge access, and meals and more. Train routes. Today, the Cardinal runs three times per week in each direction. Westbound trains depart New York City in one on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Will eastbound departures leave Chicago on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The full journey takes about 27 hours and 30 minutes, making it one of Amtrak's longer continuous rides. Passengers can choose from reserved coach or Viewliner sleeper accommodations, offering flexible options for both budget travelers and those seeking a more comfortable overnight experience. Sample International Chicago to New York on the Cardinal. Departure date. Yesterday, October 7, 2025. Route Chicago ILCHI to New York NYP. Train Cardinal 50%. Departs 5:55 p.m. Arrives Wednesday, October 8, 10:23 p.m. Duration 27 H 28 m. Coach fare $99. Private room rare from to $727. The Cardinal travels throughout six states and Washington D.C., serving 32 cities and towns between New York and Chicago. Its route offers passengers a rare and memorable view of the New River George Barrel, winding through scenic landscapes that are beautiful yet often overlooked. As one of Amtrak's most underserved long distance trains, it delivers a quietly peaceful experience across some of the country's most dramatic and natural backdrops. That's one of the top 10 and others key stops along the Cardinal route. New York Penn Station, New York Midtown Manhattan, Amtrak Northeast Cardinal Hub. Baltimore Penn Station, Maryland, Inner Harbor, Fort McKenzie, B&O Railroad Museum, Camden Yards, Fell Points. America's newest national park, the New River George, is an amazing place worth visiting, and you can see it from a truly unique perspective from the Cardinal. A dramatic third highlight of the Cardinal is the New River crossing at House Nest, just northeast of Andes, West Virginia. Will the train doesn't travel across the famed New River George Bridge, passengers glide beneath its colossal arch, making for one of the most jaw-dropping views of any Amtrak route. The New York River Bridge, completed in 1977, spans and others. That's If you are wondering about where to sit for the best reviews on the Cardinal, a commenter or Reddit posted the following around about their experience riding the train. The bridge isn't just a railway's marvel, it's a cultural icon listed on the National Registration of Historic Places and features on the West Virginia State Quarter. The sit-in celebrated each October during bridge, they inviting thousands of readers annually on that day, enjoying wonders. The Cardinal may not boost the fame of a long-distance Amtrak's route, but if lack in probability, it makes up for a rose power or story charms beyond the usual intrigue from traveling applicants bridges to the thrilling heights of the New River George Bridge. The Cardinal provides an experience that uniquely American and undeniably unforgettable. See you on next videos. Take care. Bye.